old man. This is the old man. Where is Lola? Where is the old woman? There you are. Where is the gingerbread man? Okay. And where's the oink oink? Where's the pig? Where's the cow? Where's the horse? Oh, what's the sound of the horse? Okay. Now the little old woman and the little old man and the cow all chased after the gingerbread man. Oh, you are being chased. You are the gingerbread man. Dali, you run as fast. You run. You run. Oh, careful. Okay, you go back here. Oh, careful in running. Careful. Okay. When the gingerbread man ran past a horse in a field, the little old man cried out, "Stop! Stop!" That gingerbread man. Okay. Stop! 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 The gingerbread man kept running.
Running.
Oh, stop. And then running.
Run.
Running. Okay. Run as fast as you can. You can catch me. Can I catch you? And I'm the gingerbread man. Who's the gingerbread man?
Me.
Me. Who's the gingerbread man?
Me.
Me. Okay. Okay, you come here again. Now, okay, let's see. But suddenly, the gingerbread man came. What? It's a fox. Yes, a fox. Okay. The gingerbread man came to a river. Have you seen a river? It's full of water. What's that? I can't understand.
Like that.
With no way to cross, or they cannot cross a river. And nearby fox offered to help. So there is the fox. And this is the river. You see that river? The gingerbread man cannot cross the river. Okay? Quick! Jump onto my back. How you jump? How do you jump? Jump! Okay!
Oo.
Said the fox. Oh, do not jump to Naya. Nana, she is in pain. I will help you cross the river.
Eat your
The gingerbread. Oh, how do you hop?
Hop.
Okay, hop. Onto the fox back. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, come here. Now, they'll never catch me, said the gingerbread man. Okay? Who carried the gingerbread man? The fox. Yes. Why don't you come closer? Oh, come closer daw. Come closer. Come closer.
Tingnan mo ito isa.
Just to be sure, said the fox with a sly smile. How do you smile? Smile. Okay.
Binaba ko to, gigising to.
Okay. The gingerbread man trusted the fox. So he jumped onto the fox nose. Oh, where's the fox nose? Oh, there is the fox nose. So the gingerbread man jumped into the fox nose. Once the fox reached the other side of the